Lofoten Islands have for more than 1,000 years been the center of great cod fisheries, when the cod migrates south from the Barents Sea and gathers in Lofoten to spawn. The Vikings dried fish so they could have the food essential to survive the long cold winters and their long journeys at sea. They also started trading with fish, and this was the beginning of the long-standing and proud traditions of the Lofoten fishery.
I was born in Bodø, which is this small city above the Arctic Circle. I was a gymnast from I was about 7, 8 years old for many years, and I have some injuries from that. We grew up with Omega-3, we took cod liver oil. As I injured myself from gymnastics, I had to increase my dose of Omega-3. I couldn't get out of bed if I didn't take Omega-3. I had a lot of scar tissue. It was hurting me, so I kind of, it's a requirement for me to take Omega-3 every day. So when I moved to the United States eventually to get my MBA, I had to bring my fish oils with me in my suitcase. And I started to look for fish oils in the States, and I couldn't find anything that had the quality that my body needed. So it was time to do something, and that's how Nordic Naturals was started.
Today, the fishermen and the commercial fishery are still a part of a 1,000-year-old tradition. As their forefathers did, they spend their days on the Norwegian Sea. They catch the tasty cod, full of fatty livers and nutrients that have sustained their people for generations. A primary goal is to optimize freshness levels in our fish oils. We strive to minimize the time from catch to processing by using small fishing vessels that deliver the catch at the end of the day.
Ja, I Norge har vi jo flinkt til å ta vare på ressurser. Så nå har vi jo fått en torskebestand som er så stor som vi vel med det høyeste vi har hatt siden de begynte å måle. Ja, masse torsk I havet nå. Så han blir jo tatt hånd om med en gang han kommer over rekka, så han blir ikke mange timer før vi får han på kaia og levert. Så det blir fin kvalitet, god kvalitet. Ja, I generasjoner så har vi jo holdt oss friske her, på grunn av at vi spiser mye fisk.
To meet our strict standards, the fishermen use techniques that limit the bycatch of other species. We have always sourced fish species that are flourishing and only from waters that are not threatened by overfishing. Our cod liver oil products are made from 100% wild Arctic cod. We also make oils from sustainably sourced sardines and anchovies.
One thing that we are really proud of in Norway is that we are regarded as having the best fisheries management system in the world. Our fishery is managed with the quotas that are set according to the stock size. EU and others still have a problem of overfishing, even if the quota is negotiated between the countries. So we think that the Norwegian fishing industry or fishing fleet is very loyal to the quota setting, and we don't have overfishing at all.
Our goal is to deliver fish oils to everybody, to eliminate the deficiency of Omega-3. And then you need something that everybody is willing to take. It needs to be pure, you can trust it, it needs to taste good, it can't be rancid. So in order to do that, you have to vertically integrate. You have to be responsible for all the processes involved in delivering the oil. From the cod comes in, extracting the oil, refining the oil, encapsulating the oil, bottling it, putting it on the shelf. You need to be responsible for all those steps in order to make sure that you have the quality that people have come to expect, that you would like to deliver. It's not easy, it's not even always fun to do, it's very resource intensive. It's very capital intensive, but if you're going to lead a field, you don't have a choice. That's what you have to do.
At Nordic Pharma, our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Tromsø, we process our cod liver oil as well as our sardine and anchovy oils.
In our process facility, we purify crude fish oils, and we do an up-concentration. And by up-concentrating the oils, we are removing, for instance, environmental toxins, but also up-concentrate and increases the level of EPAs and DHA.
Built to our specifications, the facility is based on renewable energy. Not only do we produce our own fuel as a byproduct of our manufacturing process, we also provide surplus energy to neighboring businesses.
It's important for Nordic Pharma to produce according to GMP pharmaceutical standards to ensure that the products that we make is safe for everybody to eat and is of the highest quality.
For Nordic Naturals, vertical integration means that we basically are taking care of every process. And this gives us the opportunity to produce the absolutely highest quality fish oil in the world. Nordic Naturals is actually the only company in the world that is covering the value chain all the way from the raw material and to the final consumer. It's all basically about quality, 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 and giving you the absolutely highest quality product, the purest, the freshest, and the best product that is available.
So in San Diego, we make a liquid product. We do encapsulate oil. We bottle those capsules into a finished product. Also importantly, we have a lab for testing of all our products, all the incoming material, all the outgoing finished goods. We use nitrogen at all our factories, both in Norway and in San Diego. The nitrogen keeps the oxygen away from the oil, so it doesn't get rancid, it doesn't smell. It keeps the oil ultra fresh, so it has a great taste. That is one of the key qualities of Nordic Naturals products, that our freshness level is exceptional. product is very young when it goes out on the shelf. It's just made. If we need more of a certain product, we make it for the customer. So the back orders are virtually non-existent at Nordic Naturals. We sell over 200 products. All the products are in stock because we make them ourselves. So what it means to be vertically integrated, at the end of the day, it means a superior product. It means a fresh and pure product that you can feel good about taking, that you can feel good about giving to your entire family and your relatives, and that's really the end of the story. Yeah, a lot of people have asked us what it has been like from bringing your officials in a suitcase 16, 17 years ago and now selling to over 35 countries. And you know, the way we all feel about it is that we are proud of what we do because we help people. A lot of people come back to us and tell them that it has changed their life, and that's the best reward that you can ever get. So it feels good. We look forward to going to work. We have a passion for what we do, and we just simply love it.